What's up, guys? All fruits ripe. Shake the grape. A grape? A grape then say? Forgive me if I mix up the song. Guys, what's up? I love them type of delivery here, right? Somebody in the States signed up, joined, shipped an item for somebody here in Jamaica. Guys, remember, you're not fit there at Jamaica to use the service. You can do anywhere in the world and still use our service. If you're in London, you can still use us. If you're in China, you can still use us. If you're in Japan, Germany, Canada, Trinidad, Cayman, wherever you are, you can still use the service. All you have to do is shop under .conversion at any website, and we will ship your items. Send something for mama now. Buy a TV and send for mama now. We deliver it and send the video to you. Buy something for your family. Stop with the barrel foolishness. You did a pack barrel. I spend all of your money on pack barrel. Send some box. Every month you send one like a box or something like that. Mama now have to go off, auntie now have to go off. Just ship it with us and we come and deliver it to them doorstep. What you're waiting on, there's a link somewhere. Click on the link, join us today, so you can send some stuff for your friends and family here in Jamaica. Alright? What I go on, Rasta? We're there here with Cedric. Cedric, what I go on? Alright. Put on my mask, you know.
And then I'm going
yes, so we can mask up.
So when I mask up, when I mask up, I will protect it.
You hear that? Come in. We're not hear you. Come in. Tell them, Cedric, we're protected, right?
We're protected.
You hear that? We're protected. Cedric, so is a wife, your family member, who send the thing for you?
My niece.
His
My
niece.
sister.
His niece, right? His niece and sister. So Cedric, niece and sister, send him item and we come here, we come deliver it, Cedric.
Yeah.
We do some video, you know, just to make people know so we have the service and everything like that. You know? So, you want a big number for me, Cedric? Let's tell them yellings.
Sister Sonia, enough love and I give thanks to this lot. Kenisha, my niece, I love you. Let's go and big up on yourself and do what I have to do. Stay safe.
Alright, you hear that, guys? Big up on yourself. Enough love. We're there on the streets. Check it out later. Enough love. Enough honor.